Biology Part 251, Agaricus mushroom. There are familiar examples of fungi belonging to the phylum Basidiomycota, include the mushrooms, toadstools, bracket fungi, and the puffballs. Phylum Deuteromycota. Fungal association, ecological and economic importance of the fungi. We talk about their decomposition, like bacteria. Saprotrophic fungi also act as decomposer in the ecosystems. Food. Fungi are vital for a whole range of fermentation industries. Yeast species such as the others, extracted substances. Antibiotics are the most important substances extracted from fungi. Penicillin was first discovered and named by Sir Alexander Fleming in 1928, later developed as a medical treatment against the bacterial infection. Disease. Very few fungi are human parasites. The skin disease, athlete's foot, and the ringworm are caused by closely related species of Taenia, which digest the protein keratin, while the Candida is a type of yeast. Fungal infection of plants have huge ecological. Wheat and corn are susceptible to fungal diseases called smutz and rust. Wheat rusts are there, and so on. Kingdom of Plantae 1. Primitive land plants. Introductions. Plants are multicellular eukaryotes. Evolution of land plants. The first land plants appeared 400 to 450 million years ago. Their cellular structure was very similar to that of green algae, but additional specialization were necessary to overcome the several major problems. Number one, water loss. Water evaporates from the moist surface exposed to the air and, of course, to the land. Number two, gas exchange. Carbon dioxide is required for photosynthesis. In algae, this is obtained by diffusion across the entire body surface, but not in the land plants. Then there are support and transport and reproduction in plants. Phylum Bryophyta. Number one, class Hepaticae, liverworts. Number two, class Muscae. And we do talk about the land plants, the land vegetation, and discuss more about it. There are primitive trachyophytes. Phylum Philoxenophyta are the ferns. And then there are trees and plants in large quantity. Phylum Siphonophyta, horsetails. Horsetail grew abundantly in the swamps of the Carboniferous times, but there are only about 25 living species, all belonging to the genus Acusticum. Extinct species grow to 15 meters or more in height. Today, horsetails are no more than 2 in tall, and they also work along with it. I'll give you more details on it as I deliver the synophytoid. Then there is phylum Lycopodophyta, the club mosses. The phylum is represented by about 1,000 living species, most of which are tropical, among the relatively few British species, which is found in the damp, mossy, grassy places, usually in the mountains. An introduced species is a common greenhouse plant and is described here, and we'll tell you more about it.